Hello friends, today I shall tell you how to determine Fraass breaking point of bitumen. Fraass breaking point is the temperature at which bitumen first becomes brittle as indicated by the appearance of cracks when a thin film of bitumen on a metal plug is cooled and flexed in accordance with the specified condition. And this test is prescribed in IS 9381 1979. The apparatus which you need is shown here. This is a tube here, two concentric tubes, and this is like this, one outside tube and another inside, and this inside tube can be slightly moved through this handle up and down. This is made of some insulating material like porcelain, and at the lower end of this tube, steel clips are fixed, and these clips can hold the plug. This is the plug, which basically has the sample of bitumen on it, and this can be fixed between these two slits here. Then a thermometer is inserted here into this tube, and the bulb of this thermometer is exposed through the slot here. Now here is the handle to rotate, and 10 to 12 rotation of this handle shall reduce the distance between the clips by 3.5 millimeter, which is otherwise originally it is 40 millimeter. The plug of size 41 millimeter long, 20 millimeter wide and 0.15 millimeter thick, made of some springy steel. Then you need cooling apparatus. It has two tubes here, E and G. E is a wide tube, this is wider tube, and one tube is held eccentrically in the second tube by means of a rubber bung here. This wide test tube is held eccentrically in a wider test tube by means of a rubber bung here. And this bung also holds a small funnel to feed the dry CO2 through this hole. The complete setup is made like this, that you have a beaker here, wide beaker here. Inside that you put the wider tube and then the inner tube. So that is how it holds. And this rotating tube is inserted here in this bung, and then a thermometer is also inserted into the porcelain tube till its bulb is exposed through the slot in the tube. Then you need a metal heating plate to prepare the specimen. This is the plug, and you take about 0.4 gram of bitumen. And before taking this specimen, the bitumen is heated at 90 degrees centigrade above the expected softening point, so that the air bubble and water is removed. And then you take about, cool it to room temperature, and then take about 0.4 gram of the bitumen on this plug, heat it through this heating plate until it spreads over the metal plug. You can manipulate the plate by hand until the plug is uniformly coated, and that is how the sample is prepared. After the sample is prepared, fill the space between wide test tube and eccentric test tube to about half its height with acetone. Place the plug between the clips of the bending apparatus, bending the plug gently to do so, and mount the bending apparatus in the wide test tube. Carefully put the funnel thermometer also, and now you feed dry CO2 at the rate so that the temperature of this acetone falls at the rate of 1 degree centigrade per minute. You can start the experiment at temperature at least 10 degree centigrade above the expected breaking point and feed the CO2. Feed the CO2 continuously, and after the temperature goes below, at every 1 minute, you bend the plaque once by turning the handle at the rate of 1 revolution per second until it is checked, and then turning the handle back. Now for each trial, it is checked for the crack in the film of the bitumen, and finally you record the temperature at which one or more crack appears on the film of the bitumen. See, here is now cracked. So note down the temperature where it cracks and calculate the mean of 3 tests and report to the nearest 1 degree centigrade as the breaking point. So that is how this Fraass breaking point test is conducted. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can write.